Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make omena or sardines. First thing is to soak the omena into hot water. I added some lemons to remove the smell, and then I set it aside for 15 minutes, and then I went in to prep my vegetables. That's the onions, tomatoes, garlic and ginger, and some dhania. Of course, I didn't use all those tomatoes. I was making another recipe, but I decided to prep everything all together. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my videos. We used 1 onion, 3 tomatoes, about 4 garlic cloves, and a piece of ginger, and 1 bunch of dhania. After 15 minutes, I rinsed off my sardines until the water was clear. Next, I put a pan on fire. Then I added some oil. Some vegetable oil. And when it was hot enough, I added the sardines to the hot oil. The idea is to cook them until they turn golden brown, or until they are crunchy. And This is my first time making these omenas, by the way, and nobody had prepared me for the smell. This part of frying them was not my favorite because of the smell. On the other pots, I started with frying my onions. Frying these omenas took about 12 minutes. After that, I put them aside, and at this point I was waiting for my onions to turn golden brown. After that, I added some crushed garlic and ginger. Then I added the tomatoes. And to enhance the flavor of the sardines, I added one Knorr beef cube. At this point, you can add any spice of your choice, but I just added that one cube. Then I added some salt to taste. And then I added my fried omenas. And I mixed everything really well. I left it. I covered it. I covered it. I covered the meal and let it simmer. And I let it simmer for 5 minutes. After that, I added the dhania and I switched off the heat. And that's it. That was the result. The result. I didn't taste them, but the person I was cooking for said they were yummy. Thank you for watching and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.